Toshiba has the complete range of printing options, from compact portable products to desktop to high-performance industrial solutions for heavy-duty printing. Introducing the compact and stylish B-FV4 desktop series, flexible for all printing applications, your ideal office assistant. Seamless to integrate, easy to use, with standard interfaces all in one package. Designed to be small enough to fit into the tightest of spaces within a multitude of industrial and commercial environments. The B-FV4 is ideal to produce labels for use in an office, pill bottle labels in a hospital, shipping product labels in a warehouse, or labels for use in a post room. The B-FV4 range has been designed to be small enough to fit into the tightest of spaces, with the flexibility to integrate into any environment. Stylish and sleek, yet rugged and powerful. For ease of use and maintenance, the B-FV4 series has been designed with the user in mind. With drop-in paper loading for quick and easy changes to media, and a snap-in print head and platen assembly for critical parts upgrades, reducing downtime. All combined with the essential Toshiba reliability to ensure a rugged and robust workhorse for any environment. With a whole host of connectivity options as standard, this impressively flexible printer really does have everything on board to manage the most diverse printing requirements. One size fits all. Whether direct thermal printing or using thermal ribbons, simply choose the options to suit your application. The B-FV4 thermal transfer printer is fully compatible with the current Toshiba desktop series. But to reduce costs of ownership and to aid seamless upgrades, the B-FV4 has been designed to accommodate both 100 meter and 300 meter ribbon. The 300 meter ribbon improving workflow efficiency with less media changes at a lower cost. A variety of both built-in and optional features provides true versatility to support a wide range of local and remote applications. With our in-depth understanding of the unique challenges of courier and postal services, we have developed two modules specifically configured for these uses. Both with built-in power supplies, our label without liner model uses more compact label rolls without any backing paper waste. Combined with impressively low power consumption, our specialist models give you a truly green solution. Toshiba is committed to the design and manufacture of products that reduce environmental impact, creating environmental quality standards for each product and prescribing them with the highest levels required by the industry. Toshiba can offer a total solution, including a full range of approved media, labels, consumables and cleaning products. A worldwide support network in the majority of countries provides essential peace of mind that once installed, the printers will be serviced and maintained by experienced engineers and service staff. Compact and stylish, range of interfaces as standard, emulation capabilities, ease of use and maintenance, lower energy consumption, longer 300 meter ribbon, managed printer services. The B-FV4 series is suitable for many sectors, such as an office environment, healthcare, transportation and logistics, industrial manufacturing, retail, courier and postal. Toshiba is breaking down barriers by transforming the way we manage, display and share information. Drawing on an integral portfolio of world-class printing and scanning technology, we create tailored, eco-friendly solutions that enable organizations to maximize the value of the data and ideas that underpin them. At Toshiba, we believe the most successful businesses are those that communicate information in the most effective way. We call this Together Information.